Hi, this is Stuart Shumway. This video clip explains how to evaluate correlations in Google Sheet charts. Let's use the example of ACT scores for high school students. Let's see if their math and their English scores correlate. So we'll select that column, Control select English, insert chart. Scatter chart is the one that's selected. That's good. And if we use the first row as headers, that didn't help. Anyways, we can add in the titles later. We want to customize the series, and we want to add a trend line. So it tries to fit a linear, probably the best fit. You can do other polynomial or exponential, but linear is probably the closest there. Oops. And we want to show the r-squared value. Well, an r-squared value of 0.6, I'll make the font a little bigger there. Oops. So here we have an r-squared value of 0.6 for math scores versus English scores. R-squared of 0.6. That's not the correlation coefficient, but that's the correlation coefficient squared. And so there is some correlation, but it's not great. You look at reading versus math, that's even lower, but there is some correlation. Science and math, now that one's a little better. 0.63, getting better. And let's check it out. Let's look at English versus reading. Now that one's almost up to 0.7, so well, that makes a lot more sense that those two are correlated. But anyways, that's how you find out what the correlation is in Google Sheets.